I this now, you know.
Yes, man, and kick my ass out again. See, kick my ass out, then burn me out. And when me make up, then kick my ass out again. Me know what I have to do next time. I put me in a box. The box them a put me up there so you know. Like a time bomb, them a set up a time bomb for me now. So, me don't know what I want. If you show me have my life, me I go and live it and see what I want to see on here. Boy, but fuck me, baby.
What play some mash up?
Yes, it was a video and make them say crazy. The crazy.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. But Jaja.
Alright, you see what this, so you see what is for the fish market, eh, brother. Alright, I have this, so bus shed I go make, you understand?
Oh,
yeah, so
okay.
Bring the bus park over here, so cause it's like the parish council, them owe the owner for the bus park down there, so a piece of road.
Oh.
And them I owe him for a couple years now for lease, and now I pay the man.
Okay.
You understand me? So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know me, then come around now and jump on the people them. And take them and mash them up and push them down, you know, and look the whole down there market and say down there bigger, but eventually them are last away from the system. So when they down there, so I pass by your kitchen now. Mostly on the front, you understand me?
True.
Yeah. When I say over here, so I got active, you know, they're active by the bus park and taxi. Literally, you see it? But them should have paid the money that them have, the land to use. You understand me? And build the people them some better shop. You get to me, I say? Yeah, so that give them with the market and more better. When you send them up, they send them up, chuck up. And then eventually you tell somebody to bill, and then you tell them to mash up and bill, and then after they go here till they give them a start towards now.